Hello, and welcome to Tamarack Lane, Rexford, Montana. I'm Rachel Fedor, Realtor with Ideal Real Estate, Kalispell, Montana, and I'd love to share this incredible listing with you. Tamarack Lane is a pleasant, well-maintained, easily accessible, and lightly traveled private road. Owners enjoy paved Pinkham Road access to the entrance of Tamarack Lane, where today we're visiting the first two parcels over the bridge, known as Lot 1A and Lot 1B of Cook's Run 2 subdivision, presented and sold as one opportunity. Absolutely stunning 13+ acre waterfront paradise that's like a postcard come to life, complete with a charming forest of leafy and evergreen trees, as well as lush grassy meadows. Experience the rolling hills and grassy meadows dancing between Pinkham Creek and Cook's Run Creek, where the owner gets to soak up nearly 1,000 feet of tranquil, babbling creek bliss. Cook's Run 2 is a cute country subdivision consisting of 5 parcels and as of yet has no occupants. The covenants are very basic. Located roughly 20 minutes from Eureka, an hour 20 or so to Whitefish Mountain Ski Resort, under 3 hours to Glacier National Park, approximately an hour and a half to Glacier International Airport, and about 20 minutes from Abeyance Bay Marina on Lake Koocanusa. With abundant wildlife and endless recreational opportunities surrounding you, it's time to unleash your Montana dreams and build your future in this waterfront paradise. To schedule your private tour, please reach out to my co-listing partner, Cindy Medina, Realtor with National Parks Realty. Her phone number is 253-307-6525. Thank you so much for joining us. We look forward to seeing you soon.